Hello, we're at Port Kembla Harbour,
Hello,
watching the ship come out.
Hello,
Got
Peter.
Mummy and Peter in the back.
Hello. You say hi. Hi to all our subscribers.
He's
Thank you
busy
for the love and
eating
support.
popcorn chicken from KFC.
Freaking
Mummy
lucky. What's it?
finger licking
Finger
good.
lucky. Freaking.
We're at Port Kembla Harbour, the industrial area of Wollongong. So this ship is been watching it now for 20 minutes, finally coming out.
Are they moving or they're stopping?
Yeah, they're coming. Very slow. Slow and steady.
Slow and steady.
Over there's the coal loader. So all the coal from the coal mines and in the mountain comes down to there, then it gets loaded onto the ships.
So
Oof.
iron ore is they make it. Oh, they are here now.
Yeah, the ship's here, Mummy. You've got the grain terminal in front of that
Where
ship.
is it
the
going?
silos.
Valentina.
I don't know what's on that ship because that's down the far end.
Super Valentina.
I know all the rest of the harbour, but not that one where it came from. I've got the glare on the windscreen.
It's a small
so
ship, so it could not be very far away country.
No. It's only got 5 hatches in between the cranes. The big iron ore ones have 9 hatches. But we get ships that size in at our work with all the containers on it.
Yeah.
We got some small ships.
What's the name? Super Valentina.
Super fragilistic.
Expialidocious.
Yeah, that's the one, Mummy. Super slow. That's what it's doing.
Maybe they're not turning on their engine, just maneuvering it.
Just going. Maybe there's a speed limit in the harbour here too.
I think so.
There's a red and white flag up the top of the bridge.
Red and white flag? What
Yeah.
country is that red and white
I
flag?
don't know, they have to show the Australian one when you're in Australian waters, but the other one is the home of the company.
Isn't that Argentina?
I don't know what just half red, half white is.
So that's the question trivia, guys. What country is that flag?
Half red, half
Half
white.
red, half white.
You know, we got new cars coming into his harbour too, but there's no ship in today.
They have what is that? They
They got hatches, so they keep something in the hatches. From down the far end, I don't know what they load down there.
It feels like our car is moving to.
Yeah, they're so quiet at work. When the ship leaves, you don't even hear it. It's like, whoa, the ship's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe because they don't turn on their engine.
they might have a small
I feel like
one.
our car is moving also.
We're moving sideways.
Yeah. Oh, like we're riding in a ship too.
So I'll start going like this. Whoa, get seasick. Whoa, rough ocean, Mummy.
What country is that, guys?
Half white. It's
Half
it's
red.
half red and white.
So they have 2 flags, Australian flag and their flag. So once they leave the port of Australia, they take off the
Australian
flag.
one, yeah. They have to show Australian flag in Australian waters. But once they leave, they'll take it down
There's another flag down there. Oh.
on the back. Yeah.
There's a tugboat at the back pushing.
Keeping it
So
straight.
it's not on. They're not on. It's just a tugboat pushing it.
It might be just keeping it straight.
I feel seasick from.
So it's still got the ropes connected to it in case the wind gets it.
So maybe that's an iron ore.
Yeah, there'll be some product going in the hatches there, but from the far end, maybe.
From the where?
Oh, it's right at the other end of the harbour. I've worked on all the other places, but that one.
Because it's not cars. Definitely it's not cars.
No, it's a product.
Containers and containers. Look at the ship. Oh, wow.
Peter's happy watching the boat.
Yeah, you haven't been in a ship, Baba. Look. Hello, everyone. Where are you heading? I don't think it's gonna go to another country. It's a small ship.
They might go to the small islands like New Zealand and Fiji, Papua New Guinea, New Caledonia, any of them small islands. You're throwing the balls away, Peter. They'll blow in the water.
Look at the bird. The bird. The bird. Where is the bird? I haven't seen any stuff in that ship.
No, they're all inside.
I don't think you have lots of stuff. Look like it's not a passenger.
No. I'd have a few down below watching the engine and a few on top. When it's anchored up or moored in the harbour, I'd have to check the ropes every couple of hours when the tides come in and out. But wouldn't have to do much. Get some maintenance done while it's parked up.
It looks like it's old.
Yeah.
Bye bye ship.
It's off to its next destination.
Wherever you go, have a safe travel. Baba is watching over you.
It'd be nice to watch another one come in. We've got a barge over here with a crane on it. I don't know what they're doing.
Another one coming.
I'm not sure.
They only have 2 tugboats in here.
No, they got smaller ones around the corner. 2 smaller ones already went back. But this one, the iron ore ship, is still getting unloaded. All the dust in the air.
How many minutes?
Yeah, we've got 7.5 minutes, Mummy.
It hasn't been 8 minutes.
Oh, there's white rocks right down the end. That's the exit to the harbour. Maybe that's the deeper water where they're taking it now, and then we'll turn left to go out.
The baby is eating now. Oh no! I think the baby can finish all the chicken popcorn.
Wow, more insulin. Okay, we're going now. Bye.
Bye bye.